Want to learn all techniques for lucid dreaming and out-of-body travel? Our practical quest is what you need to get real experience. The larger research project presents a practical quest. Participating in it, you will get access to all techniques and methods for entering the phase state. We use this term to unite lucid dreaming and out-of-body travel. Then you will try to use these techniques according to the instructions and write us back with your results. As your reward, you get real phase experiences. That way, we'll study phase entrance techniques in the form of a game. What's in it for you? First, you'll be able to enter the phase state on regular basis. Second, you will study all the main techniques and methods for entering the phase. Third, you'll find all the techniques that work best for you. Fourth, you'll become a researcher and make your own contribution to the study of the phenomenon. On average, every 6th to 8th attempt during the quest will lead to the phase, the most amazing state one can achieve. This prediction stands even for those who have no prior experience. It's practically impossible to complete all the missions and not enter the phase state at least once. At the outset, we've included 34 techniques divided into 4 methods: direct without sleep, indirect upon awakening, deferred direct after interrupted sleep, and becoming conscious while dreaming. We will always be adding new techniques in the future. What's in it for us? First, we'll find out what techniques are the most effective by analyzing your results. The moment of truth has arrived. Let's learn the best of them. Second, we'll get more data for experiments. Our research goal: determine which techniques work the best. This data will help us to popularize the phenomenon and increase the number of practitioners around the world. In the meantime, we also hope to gather even more reports regarding the main experiments in our project. As soon as you are able to enter the phase, you will be able to complete interesting missions from the other section. So, how to start your quest? Just sign up in Project Elijah and proceed to the practical quest section. The link is in the description below. See you in there. We are awaiting for your reports.